weren't the most attractive buildings, but blacksmith shops were one of the most vital businesses in the history of Trenton. Besides making horseshoes, the community relied on the blacksmith to make or repair broken plows, farm implements, metal parts for wagons, axe heads, chains, door hinges, pots and pans. In the early 60s, Trenton's last blacksmith, Samuel Griffith, closed his shop. By that time, it was the only one for 25 miles, and it operated for 33 years. Like many other people, Samuel Griffith learned the blacksmith trade from his father, and by 1908 was shoeing horses for the Algoma Railway. In 1916, he moved to Trenton and for 17 years worked for Hyde Blacksmiths, where Lang & Fenner is located now, before opening his own shop on Ontario Street behind today's Service Ontario. Another Trenton blacksmith was Sebron Yoricks. In 1930, his shop was located on Front Street, where the Trenton Chamber of Commerce is today. In the 1900s, William Morton worked as a blacksmith in Sydney Township. Another story of Trenton's past.